3-minute daily motivation. Start your day like a champion. Walk up champion. Today is your day, but here is the truth. Success does not just happen. It is built every morning with focus, discipline, and relentless drive. So if you are ready, dominate your day. Let's go. The moment you open your eyes, you have a choice: hit snooze or hit your goal. Winner don't wait for motivation. The create it here. Who? Number one. Second rule: when the alarm ring, get up immediately. No excuse. Number two, power affirmation. Say out loud, I am unstoppable. Today I level up. Number three, move your body. 10 push up, a quick stretch. Get blood falling. Small win set the tone of big victories. Destination will try to steal your time, your job, protect your focus. Like a lion guard its prey. Eat the frog. Do the hardest task first. Time block 25 minutes of work. 5-minute break. Repeat. No, maybe later. Procrastination is the enemy of success. Remember, every minute you waste is a gift to your competition. How you end your day matter just as much. Before bed, review win right. 3 things you crushed today. Plan tomorrow. Top 3 priorities. Make the non-negotiable. Visualize. See yourself winning your subconscious work while you sleep. Greatness is a daily habit, not a one-time moment event. You have got one life, one shot. Will you still for average or will you rise? The world needs your genius. Now go make today legendary. And if the fried you up, smash like, subscribe, and let's go growth together.